So traditionally when you buy a cable cleat, this is an example of a Vulcan from Ellis Patents, you'd also need to buy the fixing kit, which would be the fasteners, the washers and the channel nut. And of course each of these items you need to order separately, you need to carry inventory for, and then you need to locate those products at your installation site. So what we've done is we've brought all these components together into one complete package, so that when you order a cable cleat now, it comes pre-assembled with the channel nut, the fixing and the washer already in there. So when you get to site, it's just a simple case of pushing the cleat onto the ladder, twisting, tightening up, and that's your install done, compared to the time previously where you will be needing to source all those components individually. To demonstrate the increase in speed that you can achieve with the twist foot base product, we're going to do a small demonstration here. Matthew has the Ellis Vulcan Plus cleat fitted with the twist foot base, and I have a standard fixing kit. So we're going to see if we can compare speed of installation. So you ready?
Go.
Okay.
Go.
Right, so there we go. It shows we can install the new twist foot base 3 times faster than a standard product.